Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I will be teaching my wife how to ride a bike.
And I'm ready for that.
Right size for the person that you're about to teach. And in this case, my wife, this bike fits my wife. Second step, getting the right proper height for the person that's learning how to ride the bike in terms of sitting and being able to touch the ground with their feet. The next step would be what I call a balancing, and that's where the person walks with the bike with their feet on the ground. And once they feel comfortable enough, then you start to do a coasting motion where you're pushing off with your both feet and then you're raising both feet off the ground. Now you might want to try this just with one foot first. Get your center of gravity down and then try raising both feet off the ground. I suggest getting a used bike for a first-time learner. See if the bike comes with front brakes and back brakes. I would suggest that you point these particular levers out to the person and have them practice just standing on the bike and squeezing the front brake and then the back brake so they get that motion down. If they could coast with both feet off the ground, and once they're able to do that, then they know that their balance is there. The next step would be to remove one foot off the ground and eventually then be able to remove both and coast. Next step would be to place one foot on the bicycle pedal and continue to push with the opposite foot. Once you get comfortable, then try to place the other foot So, Jen has learned how to ride a bike in less than a week. I am such a good trainer.
Are you picturing what? You're picturing in?
How to ride a bike. I guess I'm gonna have to teach her how to drive now. Good job. Wow. Now we have to get her a new bike, a bigger bike. Thank you for watching.